Hi drone video fans, this is Bill, and this is a quick demo of 2K video shot with Syma X5 and a Mobius Mini cam. Probably the total investment is less than $100. You can get the bind and fly version of the X5 for like $22 and the X8 transmitter for about $14. Anyways, taking off here in my backyard. As long as I'm staying down below the tree levels, the wind isn't bad, and I don't get bounced around too much, so you can take pretty stable video. I'm not even using the gyro stabilization on the camera. The camera also has probably 6 different metering points to meter the light exposure, and I think I just had this centered, so could have probably done a better job on that. Anyways, I saw a bunch of these birds sitting in this dead tree. There's 3 dead trees there, which the guy is going to have cut down at the cost of several $1,000s, but it improves my satellite reception, so I was happy. Anyways, we're climbing up now. All these trees are 100 to 150 feet tall, and as soon as we get over them and get up to 200-300 feet in altitude, you can see we're starting to pitch and lean over because the winds are picking up, and I had to shift from low rate to high rate, and I tried to do a slow pan, but I was getting blown around so much that I thought I was going to lose it, so I switched into high rate, and you can tell by how much of a dip it's taking every time I do a small control movement. But we're getting pitched around over here by the aloft winds. You have to remember the little X5C is a really lightweight quadcopter, and it's probably not meant for flying in high winds. That's Lake Erie out there to the north, and now we're shooting back towards the south here, and you can see some of the neighborhoods and the trees, and now you can hear the pitch of the motors just drop. We're going to try to bring it back down slowly, but since it's carrying about 4 times the weight of the Syma camera, we get a little vortex ring state here, and it's going to bobble around a little bit until we get down into some stable air, and then it settles down a little bit, and we're able to go back into the low rate, and it flies much more smoothly. So definitely a non-windy weather flyer, but if you want to get some pretty decent quality video, we're going to run down the driveway here. You can do it on the cheap with a cheap setup, just you have to respect its limitations. Anyways, just a quick demo to show you what's possible with just a few bucks. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Leave a comment if you'd like, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.